Welcome to Botsurfer. In our tool, you have a great opportunity to work with your subscribers in the marketing funnel and target segmented audiences with Facebook ads. After visiting the Audience Manager section, you can select the specific audience of your chatbot and export a text file to your PC. You have the option to select a date range that will filter your audiences or just export all segmented subscribers. If you would like to export a segmented audience, you have the option to make selections based on sequences and interactions in chatbot's conversation. If some users select specific flow in the conversation, you may want to target this audience with another message. Just go to Select New Audience and choose the audience based on the interactions in conversation and export text for targeting. If you have exported your target audience, you should go to your Facebook ad account where you want to start a campaign and target subscribers. In this part of the setup, you need to upload your custom audience to your Facebook ad account. You can read about this topic in the Facebook help article for further information. As you can see, we are in the Facebook ad account section audiences where we want to create a custom audience and we need to select the source customer list. First, you need to select that your source data doesn't include customer value. In the next step, you should copy all the IDs into your text file and paste them to the field. Name your audience and continue. This step is very important. You need to change automatically selected phone number as an identifier and select Facebook page user ID. Next, you need to enter the Facebook page ID, and here you could go back to the Select New Audience section in the Botsurfer and copy your page ID. Head back to Facebook ad account and enter your page ID in Setup. It may take a while to see the pop-up screen with a text field. After page ID confirmation, you should see that no action is needed and you can hit the button Upload and Create. Your custom audience will be ready for targeting after a few seconds or minutes, but beware of the limitations for custom audiences for Facebook ads. You can't use an audience of few users. You will need to have a larger audience of subscribers to target them with Facebook ads.